Hey guys, welcome back to A.C.R.F. So today I'll be making some homemade fake nails inspired by these Billie Eilish themed fake nails. So these are just real fake nails, but I'm gonna turn them into homemade fake nails. So let's get started. First step, I just sketched out some nail templates and then just measured it using my thumb if it fitted me correctly. And it was just perfect, not too big or not too small. And then I just started to sketch out the design, and at last this is just how all the designs turned out. Next step, I just started to color them in, and this is how they turned out. Then I taped them using clear tape so that it can be waterproof a little bit, and then cutted them out. But as you could see, it's like really short. I don't know if they're gonna fit me or not, but let's just see. Next step, I took a felt tip pen and then put my homemade fake nail on top of it and pressed it down. This way you can just get like a round shape sort of, so that it kind of like fits correctly onto your nail and easily. I did that to all of my fake nails. Next step, I took some double-sided tape and I cut them out in a size that it would fit at the back of the fake nail. And sometimes it's just like sticking out of the fake nail and you just like cut it out. And then this is how they turned out. I did the same thing to all of my fake nails. As the end result, this is just how they turned out. I mean, I do really like the design and how I drew it, so I'm proud of that. But like the way I drew it in size, I'm not happy about, because as you can see, there's just like a big gap between, you know, the fake nail and my nail. So that just looked really not that nice, you could say. But anyways, if you like this video, please do make sure to subscribe and like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you.